A squealing engine usually points straight to a worn or loose V-belt under your hood. You do not need a professional garage or expensive tools to fix this common issue. Swapping your V-belt in a standard parking lot is completely doable. First, locate the tensioner pulley on the front of your engine block. This spring-loaded wheel applies pressure to keep the belt tight against the engine accessories. You will need a breaker bar or a long wrench to relieve this pressure. Insert your tool into the tensioner and pull it in the direction that releases the tension. Once the belt goes slack, carefully slip it off the nearest pulley. Slowly release the tensioner back to its resting position before completely removing the old belt. Before throwing the old belt away, compare it directly to your brand new replacement. Ensure the length and the rib count match exactly to avoid engine damage. A mismatched belt will cause severe mechanical issues and leave you stranded. Routing the new belt correctly is the most critical part of this repair. Check your owner's manual or the sticker under your hood for the exact routing diagram. Wrap the belt around all the pulleys, leaving the easiest one for last. Pull the tensioner back with your breaker bar one more time. Slide the new belt over the final pulley and slowly release the tensioner to apply pressure. Double-check that the belt sits perfectly centered on every single pulley before starting your engine.